guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm back with another Cricut mystery box. Do you want to see what's inside of this mystery box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so after my last spooktacular, I believe it was called, mystery box, which was amazing, I went on their site just to see if it was still available, and I saw they had a new one. This is a Frozen mystery box, and my niece loves Frozen, so if there's anything like really Frozen related, she'll love it. So let me go ahead and cut the tape on this so we can get in and see what's inside this mystery box. I'm so excited. I love mystery boxes in general, and I love that with these you save so much money and you get amazing Cricut products. So let's get this thing opened. Whoa, oh, so pretty. If you guys follow me, you know this blue, green, teal color right about here is my favorite color. So pretty. Okay, I was like thinking when I opened it up I was gonna see a whole bunch of Frozen, but I only see one Frozen thing in here, so I'm so excited. Yay. Okay, you guys, so the first thing right on top is the glitter vinyl, and this is a removable glitter vinyl, and it's all just silver glitter, and this is the removable. And I don't have a whole lot of removable. The first ones that I got was in my last mystery box, so that's what I do like. This is adding to my arsenal now, and now I'm gonna be prepared for whatever it is that I feel like making, because possibilities are endless with this little guy. Yeah, it's little, I guess. So the next is a Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On, and this is in the color Party Pink Matte, and it's like it's kind of like a rose pink fuchsia color. I don't know, that's really pretty. That's a really pretty pink, and I don't have this, and so this is an Everyday Iron-On. Then we have and this is one I think we just got in the other one, which is totally fine because these are colors that I could use. These are Everyday Iron-On as well, the Strong Bond, and there's a red, a black, and a gray. So here's all of the 3 different colors that are inside, and it shows you again right there. You get 3 sheets, 1 color of each. So 1 red, 1 black, and 1 gray. So that's awesome. Then we have the Frozen item, and this one I'm gonna go ahead and open up to show you guys. This is a removable premium vinyl as well. So I'm gonna have to come up with some really cool little things for my niece to do when she comes over, because like I said, she loves Frozen and she just loves making things. Like if she could probably help me do everything I need done, she would. She's such a good helper. I just love that little girl. So we're gonna have to come up with some things for her to make, but here we go. So there's 2 of each color in here. So the first one is what you saw, is these little snowmen with the little, is that Olaf? Again, I'm not into Frozen that much. I've never even watched the movie. I like my Disney movies from back in the day, but I know she will love this. And then the next one is right here. So there's that print, and there's 2 of that one. So there's 2 of each of them in here. And then the last design in here is, oh, so it's not even Frozen on there. So they're just trees. So this one could be used for anything. And that would even be really cool to make some cool things for the holidays, for Christmas. So there is this set of, there's 2 of each, 3 different designs, so there's 6 of them in here. And again, these are the removable vinyl. Put that right back on so I don't forget what type of vinyl it is. Then next we have is a Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On, and this is navy. And I know I have black, and I thought this was black, but this is navy. So that's really cool. It looks black, it's that dark of a blue, and I don't have a navy. So See, I'm getting so many colors, and ooh, this is a pretty color as well. This is a permanent glitter premium vinyl shimmer. This is really cool. Fuchsia glitter, permanent glitter. Permanent shimmer glitter vinyl roll on vinyl shimmer. Lays flat, easy to weed and apply, smooth application, and it's in the color fuchsia, and it's 112 by 48 roll sheet rolled in on the roll. And then here's like an example where they put like these really pretty leaves on whatever that is. I don't know if that's like a journal. It looks like it would be a journal. So that's why I say the possibilities are endless when it comes to the Cricut. You can make so many things, and I have a Cricut maker. So here is a very pretty color. This is aqua glitter iron on strong bond, and that's an aqua glitter. I love that color. Then we have, this is a premium vinyl shimmer, the same as that other one, but this one is now in purple. So both of these are the exact same type of material, but this one's a purple, and it has a little bit of a shimmer like glitter to it. Let me see if I can get this glare off for you. So there's like a little bit of shimmer. See that? That's how both of them are. A slight little shimmer. It's not like a glitter like this one, but it's a shimmer. Then the last one, and I almost bought this so many times, it's not even funny. Every time that I'm at Joann's, I always grab this, and it's the white one that I normally grab the most of. Like every time I go to Joann's, I grab this, and then I'm like, I don't have anything that I need right now, so I don't really want to spend, I think this is like $12 or $14. So I never want to, but this is the white. This is the glitter iron-on mesh, and this is the strong bond. And like, for example, you see how they did that? So they have a color behind, and then they have the glitter mesh on top. And this one's in white. And again, I've grabbed this one so many times. So I'm so glad to have this. Now I don't have to go buy it, and now I don't have to feel bad like, oh, I don't need it. Now I have it. I love this box. And then the last item in here is this right here, and this is frozen, and this is the paper. And yes, our niece is going to love this. I'll probably just give her this whole thing and let her just do whatever she wants with it, this paper. But let me open it so you can see the different designs that are in here. There's 12 different sheets. It looks like there's 6 different designs, so there'll be 2 pages each. So let's get this opened and see what we have. So here's the first one, which looks just like that one, the vinyl. And there's 2 of those, and what's on the back side is just a really pretty print. So the back side is not frozen. So if you purchase this and you're not a huge Frozen fan, you could use the back side of this paper if you would like, or if you know anybody who is a Frozen fan, then you can use the front side. Then we have the same as that was on there as well, with the little snowman. And then the back side of this one is just snowflakes. So very, very pretty. I like that the other side isn't frozen so far. Anyway, so then here is this design right there. And then the back side of this one is just the trees. That is just the same that was on that other vinyl. So we have 2 of those. Then now we have is this one. That is actually really cute. I like that. And there's 2 of those, and the back of that one is just these stripes. Then we have this pattern. And this pattern looks like this on the back. And then the last one is this, and that just has like a little castle. I mean, it doesn't really look like huge Frozen, but it does have that castle. And then the back side is just that. So that is really cool. I really like all the different designs. I like the colors because teal is my favorite color anyway, but I like the designs on here. So that's the 6 different patterns, 2 pages each that is inside of here. So a recap of everything that was in this mystery box would be this frozen right here, which the backside is just standard. We have the mesh, the white glitter mesh. We have the removable glitter that is a silver, and to get the shine off so you can see it, there we go. So that's what this glitter looks like right there. Then we have these 2 that are the same, just different colors, and this is the permanent glitter. So some are removable and that one is the permanent. Then this is an iron on, iron on, iron on, and iron on. So here are 4 iron ons. And again, this red has 3 different colors in it. And then we have the vinyl that is frozen, and it has the different ones in there, 6 sheets total. And I cannot remember off the top of my head, but I will put right here how much this mystery box was, which is an amazing steal, you guys, because most of these vinyls, if you know, these average anywhere from like $10 to $16, depending on if it's the ones that have multiple designs inside of them. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 9 rolls and a thing of the deluxe paper for that price, which is amazing. So I'm so glad that I got these. I really love these colors. I was afraid that it was going to be more frozen themed, and I'm so glad to see there's only 1 and the paper. Everything else is just normal, everyday colors that I will definitely use, and I'm glad to now have. So I'm glad I'm growing my vinyls with these mystery boxes. This is the perfect thing to do for me anyway, because you save a lot of money this way. So comment down below, let me know, do you have a Cricut? Are you interested in getting a Cricut? I am gonna start doing some Cricut videos. I said that in the last one. I haven't done that just yet. I'm trying to get done. The holidays are coming and I've done so good. I've already shipped off like all my family that's out of state. I've already wrapped them, packed them, and I shipped them off yesterday and today. I'm trying to just be ahead of the game this year, get a lot of stuff out of my house that's just been collecting and it just needs to go to new homes anyway. So I'm getting them out of here and I've been focusing on that lately. But as soon as all of that holiday stuff is done, I can clear off all my station and I'm gonna start doing some Cricut tutorials and stuff like that for you guys to show you about it, show you how easy it is and how you can do your own design spaces. And it's just a really neat thing. I love my Cricut maker. I'm so glad that I got it. I've made so many different things already and I'm just basically teaching myself as I go. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm learning as I'm learning it as well. So let me know, you guys, how you like this mystery box. Have you heard about these mystery boxes? Do you get these mystery boxes? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I will load for you guys. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.